अच्छा ओके बेटा, no issues. चलो now let us write down the program. See, import random equals to random dot randint 1 comma 50. So we have generated a random number from the range 1 to 50. Okay. Now we have got three chances. Guess the correct number. So for that we need a number to be entered from the user. So let us take that number. Now if your a is equals to n, that is if you have got the correct number, then we'll be printing. You can write down anything. Elif, if your number, if your generated number is less than b, then you can ask the user to what you have written. If you have written,
But there should be n.
yes.
A is smaller than n. But there is no b.
Elif में if a is smaller, sorry dear. Okay, so suppose this is the game. Now let me run this game in ideally. Let me open the ideal.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
So mine is still showing some errors in this game. When I enter one as an example, then it's showing the text try a lower value.
Just wait a minute, Bhavya. Let me check whether my program is working or not. So suppose you have to, okay, the number is generated. Now we have to enter the number between 1 and 50. Any one of you? Tell the number. What shall I enter? 41.
25.
So 41. Oh, but it's greater. You have to enter the small
45.
number.
20.
No, it is, the number is greater. 40,
48.
it was 47. So it is just fun playing this game. Hai. So let us run this one more time. Now enter the number.
Sir, 23.
20.
It's slow.
35.
17.
It's slow. The number is
17.
अच्छा और छोटा है.
But the number is low, no?
The number was 8.
1.
Number was 8. Chalo. Let us do one thing. We are not getting the answer in the three correct choice in the three turns na. Let us make it 5. Now we have got 5 turns. अब बताओ.
सर बट
Yes.
उससे क्या कभी नहीं आंसर.
Yes, Siddharth.
नंबर्स की रेंज भी काफी बड़ी है 1 से.
So we have taken 5 chances, na? Not L.
Sir, 45.
30.
Let's go. 30.
30.
30.
Okay. We have got the range. The number is between 30 and 45.
35.
Sir, 35.
It's
40.
later.
41.
So
41.
the range is 35 to 45.
40 डाल के
There's
देखो
2
sir.
chances left.
40 डाल दो ना सर.
41.
Yes sir. 40.
It's low. Okay.
37.
The number is between 35 and 40.
Sir,
37.
37. That it was 36. It was 36. Chalo. You may write on this program. Those who haven't done it, kindly write on this program. You can make 5 chances instead of 3, na? Make 5. Please write on this program, everyone, and then after that, after this, we are going to see some programs, see some questions that can be there in the examination from this chapter random module also. Written?
No, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. No, I have mentioned na 5 here. I have changed. No, while running, how can we do that? While on execution, while in execution, we cannot do anything. Na? There is no control on the program there in that case. All of you have done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Give me a second. Okay, do this. So these type of questions will be there in the examination from this random module. Do this.
So second option.
Second, we'll check, we'll see. Let us also do it.
Sir, second.
How many of you have done it?
Sir, we have to write the code and check or just do it manually?
Manually.
हाँ सर फिर तो सेकंड है.
Yes, sir. For second आ रहा है.
Chalo. Second is the correct one. Is there anyone who is not able to do it?
Sir, can you please explain this question?
Yes, dear. Why not? See, what variables you have? You have a variable lower, which can be equal to 1, 2, or 3. We have a variable upper, which can be equal to 2, 3, or 4. Okay, we have two variables, lower and upper. The values of upper can be 1 or 2 or 3. It could be anything out of these three values, because we have mentioned redundant 1, 3. So any value could be there. Now it says that we have to apply a loop from the lower to the value of upper. Okay, but we have to see one thing, that this loop is running how many times, because we'll be selecting the values of lower and upper on that behalf only. So in the output we can see that the loop is running for 3 times. So we have to pick up the values of lower and upper such that the loop can run 3 times. So what if I take the value of lower as 1 and the value of upper as 3? Will it be working? Why it should be 2? See, upper plus 1 is mentioned. You see, upper plus 1 is mentioned, but we know the rule कि -1 भी होगा. 3. Here actually I'm facing a lot of network issues. My call is reconnecting again and again. Sorry for that. Huh. I'm saying that this loop is running for 3 times. So we have to pick up the values of lower and upper such that the loop can run for 3 times. Okay. If I pick the value of lower as 1 and the value of upper as 3, then it will be working. It will run the loop for 3 times. देखो lower 1 है, 1 से start हुआ. Upper is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 है लेकिन एक minus भी होगा. The rule for the loop कि whatever n values mentioned to you will deduct one value from that. Yes. So उसमें से 1 minus कर दो. So 3 हो गया तो 1 2 3. 3 times चल गया loop for the value of 1 for the value of k as 1, then 2, then 3. 3 times चलेगा. Now AR of 1. AR of 1 is 30. So we'll be printing 30 hash. Then AR of 2, 40 hash. Then AR of 3, 50 hash. So 30 hash, 40 hash, 50 hash. That is second one is the correct answer. What else can you get? See, in the random questions, it is not always that you will be getting only the one correct answer. It might be possible that multiple values can be taken in this equation. So if we have the value of upper, let us say
Sir, why?
sorry, I was disconnected from the call. Hmm. Okay. So if we have the value of lower is 1 and upper is 3, we'll be getting this output. What else value can we take? Wait, let's check for other values as well. कि और कोई value आ रही है नहीं आ रही. So let us say that we are having the value of upper. Let us take the value of, see, we have to run the loop for 3 times. So अगर मैं lower को 2 ले लूँ and upper को 4 ले लूँ, will be working for the values 2, 3 and 4. 3
Yes,
times
sir.
चलेगा. ठीक है. And if it is 2, 3, 4, then the value will get printed like 40 hash, 50 hash, 60 hash. So do we have anything like 40 hash, 50 hash, 60 hash? No, we do not have any values like this. We do not have any option in which it is 40 hash, 50 hash, 60 hash. Clear?
So what if
That is why we have got only the correct answer, that is second one.
So
No doubts in this?
performing, we have to check for every possibility.
We have to check for every possibility because it is possible to have multiple correct answers in this random question.
so what if we choose up 4 from upper one? Wouldn't it give 4 outputs?
4 from upper one means so lower is 1 and upper is 4.
Yes, sir.
Then it will be giving you 4.
Yes, sir. So
But we
the
do not have
maximum possibility should be 4 outputs, right?
maximum is 4 outputs. But Bhavya, we have to actually compare from the given options, right? Because
Oh,
see, it's a random module question. So random module, see, we know that random module can print some random numbers. Now, how many combinations can we have? We can have 1 2, we can have 1 3, we can have 1 4, we can have 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 3 3, 3 4, like this. So we can have multiple options in this. So instead of wasting the time for checking for each of the combination, what we can do is we can compare with the given options.
okay, sir.
There's a there's a lot of bandwidth loss today. Hmm. Clear? Chalo, giving you the next question now. Do this, question number 29. Do this.
Sir, D.
D. Chalo, we'll be checking it.
Yes, sir, it will be D.
Not A.
No, sir.
Nice. नहीं हुई है.
No, sir.
B.
Chalo, let us do it. Okay. So what we have a variable val, which is 35. We have a variable p, that is 7. We have a variable num, that is 0. And iterator I, that is 1 at the first time. So 1 comma 5, it means it is going to run for 5 times. That is clear. Now that num value will be having val plus r dot rendint. Now this r is what? It is nothing but an alias. Import random as r. So instead of writing random every time, we can write down r. This is an alias. This can be written anything, but it should be an identifier, not a keyword. Okay, the same rules, the same rules that we apply for an identifier can be used here. कि as r, you can write your name as well, but again बड़ा हो जाएगा है ना. So instead of writing random again and again, it will be wasting time to type. So we have taken alias. Okay, so it is val plus the value of val is 35 plus random dot randint 0 comma p minus 1. Any value, any value from 0 to 6 can be there. So if I add 35 plus 0, it will be 35, could be 36, could be 37, could be 38, could be 39, could be 40, or could be 41. Is it correct?
Yes.
By
Sir,
the
the
number
range,
generated.
the
Yes.
range should be 0 to 6, right? So the 6 will not be included.
Why 6 will not be included? It is random, and random includes both the lower and upper limit, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So num could be this, any value out of these. So let us check now. For the very so it is printing the value for the very first time. Any value between 35 to 41 can be printed. So A is 41 in the first iteration. Okay, it can be. No issues. 41 can be in the starting. We can have 38. Yes. 36. Yes. 40. Yes. So for the first iteration, all the 4 options are correct. Chalo, moving to the next one. Now it says P equals to P minus 1. If I subtract P, then the range will get decremented by 1. So it is still 30. It is now from 35 to 40. So 38, yes, can be possible. 40, yes, can be possible. 35, yes. 37, yes. So now also all the 4 options are giving the correct. Direct one more. Now the next iteration, the value of I right now is 3. Now 38, yes, can be there. 37 can be there. 42, no. Now C has got deleted. Why C will get deleted? Because it is giving you 42, but there is no number as 42 for the value for the variable num. 39, yes, it can be there. So we are left with the options A, B, and D. So let us check now. For the last iteration, now 39 will also get deleted. Okay. 37 can be there. 34, no, 34 cannot be there. So B will also get deleted. C तो delete हो ही चुका, 35 can be there. So we have got the values, we have got the options. Correct options are A and D. Now tell me if anyone is having any kind of doubts in this. The correct options are A and D.
सर बट स्टार्टिंग में रेंज में 42 और 34 तो आया ही नहीं था, तो बी और सी तो पहले ही नहीं थे ऑप्शंस में, मतलब कट हो गए थे,
हाँ
तो उसके लिए डिडक्ट करने की क्या जरूरत थी?
अरे I was telling you the explanation dear.
ओके ओके सर, ओके सर.
See, आप shortcuts कब use कर सकते हो? When you got the method, when you get the method कि how you are going to execute this program, है ना? So I was explaining the execution. एक बार आपको execution समझ आ जाएगी फिर तो you can use the shortcuts. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Giving you one more program. Okay, so you have got this question now. Do this.
Sir, first and second.
First and second.
Yes,
Let's wait
sir.
for this. Let's wait for this.
Sir, second one.
So first and second.
First and second. Chalo, let's see. The first one will be printing the value between 15 and 25. So first and second. तो अभी फर्स्ट आइटरेशन के लिए फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड आर करेक्ट. ठीक है, थर्ड फोर्थ तो वैसे डिडक्ट हो गए. Then we have 100 plus 15 comma 25, so 122 yes can be there, and 120 can also be there. Third one is 100 minus, so 84 yes can be there. Yes.
Yes, it can be there, sir. 75 से 84, 85 के बीच में आनी चाहिए वो range.
So 84 and 76 both are correct. Then for the last one we can have 2500 yes, 1500 yes. So both first and second are the correct one. Great. So let me take the attendance first. Then we'll be continuing. Akansha,
Present, sir.
Arav Grewal,
Sir, Arav Grewal present.
Arav Sharma, Agnish, Aishwarya,
Present, sir.
Akshita,
Present, sir.
Mantomar, Anshika, Rumita,
Present, sir.
Arun Sinha,
Present, sir.
Piyush Sharma, Bhavya Bhardwaj,
Present, sir.
Bhavya Mishra,
Present, sir.
Daman, Devansh, Shita, Galaxy, Gautam Kakkar,
Present, sir.
Gautam Kumar, Himanshu,
Present, sir.
Jayant, Kanak is present, Kana,
Present, sir.
Kana, how many classes you have attended till now?
Sir, after the exam.
Hmm.
Sir, this is the first one.
Kunjal,
Present, sir.
Lakshya Bansal,
Present, sir.
Linoy, Manav,
Present, sir.
Agya, Rishabh,
Present, sir.
Rohan,
Sir, present.
Sahil Bisht,
Present, sir.
Ahil Sharma,
Present, sir.
Sanket, Tayyam, Ashwat, present, Shivansh,
Present, sir.
Shriya,
Present, sir.
Siddhant, Siddharth,
Present, sir.
Siddharth Semwal,
Present, sir.
Shrishti, Vani,
Present, sir.
Vanshika,
Present, sir.
okay. Try this one.
Sir, A.
A and C.
Sir,
No,
A.
C could
A.
not be the correct answer because
Sir,
see
because
after
at the rate is not there.
At the
there is
rate.
no at the rate. So only the A one is the correct one. A is the correct answer. Chalo. Great.
Sir, sir, it will be, sir, option A and B.
बेटा B तो possible ही नहीं है.
Yes, sir. B
Because
में
see,
end के
we
लिए
have
हमारे
got,
पास
we
five
have
option.
got, see, we have got last value as 4 for end, and we have written here end. So 1 direct कर दो, 3 तक जाएगा, 3 is still 40. 50 तो possible ही नहीं है print होगा. चलो. Great. So वंशिका, D तो वैसे ही नहीं होगा बेटा, क्योंकि it is 40 and 30. It is going in the reverse order. That's not possible. Right?
Yes, sir.
Chalo then. We'll see you in the next class. Goodbye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.